Hi everybody on YouTube. My name is Raduz and I'm pleased to show you this video which is concerning of work at the office. Permanently minimally 8 hours on the chair, you know that, me too, is uncomfortable and unpractical for me. Therefore I need to change my position after 3 or 4 hours, otherwise I can lose my interest and creativity. Here you can see my creation, what I did myself yesterday. I really love after 3 or 4 hours do a sport like trapeze or stretching or go to fitness, but at work is impossible. On the picture you can change your position, do sitting, lay down or stay, and still do your work on the PC. The video is very short, but I think it's okay. Have a nice day, keep track of this channel regarding me. Bye.